Hey guys, it's Vickie Kenner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today we're going to be unboxing the Harvest Bounty Warmer, and I am so excited. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So today we're going to be unboxing the Harvest Bounty Scentsy Warmer, and I am so excited. I've been waiting for this one. It's in our Harvest collection, and I am so excited to have it. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing it. I always love that our boxes have quotes from our CEOs, and this one's from Dan Orchard, who is our interim CEO, because Heidi and Orville, the CEOs, they're on mission in England right now, so he took over. So this one says, "What if is the only part of the story? Yes, if. Now that's where dreams come true. Goals are achieved and lives are changed." That's from Dan Orchard. So I love that. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox. All right, here's the lid. Oh my gosh, how pretty. And look, it has like a weaved pattern. And I love the brown on here. It's like the most beautiful color of like a tan brown. It's very muted and I think it's beautiful. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, let me put this to the side. It's an element warmer. I don't know if you guys know, but Scentsy sells a couple different types of warmers. Some have bulbs and some have heating elements. So this one does not emit light, but it is simply stunning. It has like a little notch right there to show you where to set it, and it is stunning. This is beautiful. This is actually perfect for my bedroom. I think I may put this one in my bedroom because it doesn't have light. I love this. When I saw this in the Harvest brochure, I was like, I have to have it. So this is available right now. So run, don't walk to grab this one before it sells out, because this is a stunner. This is one that you are definitely going to want to use every year. So I love it. So let me know what you think, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.